should have put this video out a year ago, but I'll still put it out in case there are others like myself still unaware of the effect of ethanol in petrol. I own two Series 3 Lambrettas, PJ and A-Bar. This is A-Bar. Late March 2024 I topped up A-Bar with 5 litres of B+ and set off for a jaunt. Almost immediately the engine began bogging, for want of a better term. Winter storage blues was the thought process. I'll just open up in a straight and chase those blues away. No joy. I detoured left up a long steep hill and stopped at the top. Would not restart. Changed the spark plug, still a no-go. Put it in third, pulled in the clutch and set off. When momentum was good, I released the clutch and continued to roll a fair distance. Eventually the engine picked up and I nursed it a mile or so home, keeping the revs high and with the choke on. Put it in the garage and walked away. Early August I came back to it. Good spark, could smell the fuel, but it wouldn't start. Perhaps a sticky float. Moved the carburetor, float seemed fine. But the carburetor itself felt rather sticky. Both scooters have 22mm Jetex carburetors. I swapped them. Leaving the air filter off, I gave A-Bar a few kicks and got it to start. The sun was out, so I hit the street. I was immediately back on the Chattanooga choo-choo with severe hiccups. Going up a short incline and struggling in third, I stalled next to a builder's van. The owner came out and asked what the problem was. Fuel, I think. He asked the age of the fuel. I told him. That may be your issue. Modern petrol has so much ethanol added now, it starts to separate after a month. You should add a stabiliser to fresh petrol to maintain its integrity. That's what I do with my 2 strokes. Turned out he has a collection of bikes. The word separates caught my attention. I was aware petrol can go stale, but separating has a different connotation to stale, to me anyway. I lived under the illusion that petrol being petrol, it fired up and started to burn. It would continue to burn. By separates, I presume it means the molecules. I know a little bit about that. Way back in time, in a tour of the Ardbeg Whisky Distillery on Isle of Islay, I purchased a bottle of 120 proof Glenmorangie malt whisky. The lady conducting the transaction asked how I like to partake of a malt. Usually sip it neat. Well, because of the high proof of this one, we recommend adding a drop or 2 of water to burst the molecules. That will release the aromas and flavours captured within for the true taste sensation. But whisky and petrol are different fuels. I went home and googled stabilisers. A nearby Screwfix had this stuff. The reviews were good, and mainly all from owners of petrol driven lawnmowers with probably a similar lifestyle to the average Lambretta. £5 for 100ml treats 5 litres. The blood breeds. Keep your fuel healthy. For all 2 and 4 stroke petrol engines. Modern petrol has a high ethanol content and can go stale in as little as 30 days, leading to starting problems and engine damage. Mountfuel Fuel Stabiliser keeps fuel fresh for easy starting and maximum performance for up to 2 years. Then we go to the circles. Keeps fuel fresh, treats up to 5 litres of fuel, protects from corrosion, prevents gum and varnish build-up. The sticky carburetor. So I drained the tank, added 5 litres of fresh B+, the fuel additive and the 2-stroke oil, and A-bar is flying again. I've been for a decent ride out. No hiccups, no bogging, good uphill and on the straight. Fresh fuel the remedy. A stabiliser to keep it fresh. Now seems to me I've spent my time trying to rectify issues that probably did not exist. Another faux pas on my part, I guess. For atonement I've said a quiet prayer and applied self-forgiveness. Hallelujah. 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 Bar back on the road. I feel the urge to go back in time to when you can stand up on the footboards, throttle up, get the wind in your hair and have a wiggle or a sway and shout out whatever to whoever is alongside. The following is a favourite and as good as it got. If anyone's listening, turn up the volume.